This 2024 Grand Design Transcend Xplor 245RL is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Nacogdoches, Texas, 75964 and is offered for sale by Genuine RV and Powersports. This new Grand Design is 30 feet 8 inches in length and features one slide-out, a Gunstock interior, sleeps 4, smoke detector, LP detector, air conditioning, skylight, slide-out, spare tire kit, water heater, self-contained, Colorado detector, TV antenna, and 56 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features front bedroom, rear living area, 2 entry, exit doors. The unloaded weight of this 2024 Grand Design Transcend Xplor 245RL is 6,494 pounds. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by Genuine RV and Powersports, visit RVUSA.com.